That's Amtrak train 353 just leaving Battle Creek. It's about a little after 1 o'clock. Running late today. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me, and if you did, go thumbs up on it. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came here, hey, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. And check out my other train videos here I got plenty of them. So feel free, check them out. Also, do me a favor, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you'll be notified about it. But this was filmed on Monday, March the 31st of 2025. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.